You've got your blue topazes, you've got light topazes, as well as blue zircon, which is very sparkly, very, it's brilliant. It sparkles more than a diamond. So we've got that here.
Well, now I'm a February girl.
And this is the Regal coat. We've got some really deep saturated purple. Those always do very well. And then we'll move closer over here to the citrines, the more golden. Some of them are richer than others. Look how...
Wake Forest Gold.
Is that right?
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Love it.
I love that big burgundy citrine that's right down there.
What size is that, honey?
I can't tell.
I'm a size 9.
Well, that is a 6 3/4. All the sizes, what I love about what we do here, they're listed on the little tag. So nowhere in the industry can you go and just peruse and see the price point, the gemstones, maybe the carat weight, as well as the finger size. So you'll have that there.
You know what? Your online presence is nice too. I spent the morning just looking at earrings and steak pieces on the website.
Thank you.
So for my viewers, hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping real, we are at Replacement. And I'm so excited to meet you.
My name is Anita.
Anita is helping us pick out our jewelry today. And I am overwhelmed in the best way. I feel like putting on a little bit.
Oh, but you are already. You are already. And you know this to be true. But all this takes a team. So we do the buying, we do the sorting, we do the assessment. We've got an admin department, we've got imaging, we've got marketing. It's a big team that brings us together. So
Is there a size 9 in one of your images?
I'm going to have to peek on the other side to see closer with you. To see now, I'm going to tell you the truth, because we do buy previously owned.
Yes.
A lot of them have to be sized.
I gotcha.
Let me just take a peek quick. I'm seeing a lot of 7s, a lot of high 6s.
Good morning, everyone. It's Jana here filming, and we are just delighted at all these cases full of jewelry, and the two of us get to choose what we'd like to wear today in some of the videos. It's just phenomenal, the size of this place, the amount of estate jewelry here, the quality of it, and in every color scheme, silver, gold, gemstones, just beautiful pieces. They have their own social media director over there who's filming, and then Mr. Winkler, who is our contact, who works here and has invited Lisa and I in today. Look at those chandeliers. It's just gorgeous, and there's so much more to see. So hang with us. We'll be on with a few different videos from here today, and we hope that you're enjoying our visit at Replacements Limited. And if you are in the area, pop by. We're here for a bit.
I am digging the way things pop up. Now listen.
Don't you think as women we all get to a certain age that we go, you know what? Did I shave my legs to keep my hair long? And it's just a mop, and I just need to cut it off.
The time I spend every morning.
Preach.
What you got there, Lisa?
Look how beautiful these are.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
What are these again? I'm
They're
sorry.
blue topaz, and what I love about gemstones, specifically when they're mounted in a basket mount, as this would be with the 4 prongs, it allows the color to be filtered with the light coming through it. A diamond doesn't need that because the light comes through the top and goes back through the table. But when you have a gemstone, nothing is blocked, so the light just filters right through. And you
Look
see
how pretty these are.
Beautiful
Gorgeous.
that blue pops. Okay, nice. See,
Look how good that looks with just jeans.
and with your necklace that you're wearing. I forgot that.
Oh. Oh, okay.
But look at that. And as you know, Christmas is coming, honey, and we live right around the corner. Literally, our farm backs up to this property. Platform Dre.
I know.
We sell the best sweet corn in the
Look, here's the person who's doing what I do.
I literally,
Yes, that's right.
You're home.
I would be in the woods across from, yes.
You're on your property.
And I've only been in the showroom 4 times in my life, and one time was to pick up my 2 dogs that had gotten...
I'm going to take you over and show you some of these beautiful pieces over here without making you seasick. But I am wearing a blue and white striped dress today, and I noticed some of the blue pieces of jewelry in here. Of course, I don't know the right name. Carved lapis lazuli pendant I see down there. Some of these nice solid colors. Oh, and I love this ring right here with the blue, because that's the blue that's in my dress. And look at these triangular gold and blue earrings at the front. Inlay triangle button earrings. Gorgeous. Every price point is possible in this place, I noticed. All right, so from cooking, cutting up, and keeping it real, we'll close out this segment and we'll pick up with you again a little later. Thanks for watching.
Doing really well. Hey y'all, I'm back. Janet's getting all jewelried up too. The jewelry here is amazing, and Anita was just telling us that they started out with 2 cases some years ago, and now there's a whole room and 3 other cases that are just for jewelry. So I've got on these beautiful earrings. Let me put my stuff down so I can show y'all the bracelet. That is beautiful. Looks like this. Each piece was chosen by hand. It's like a charm that they added to. Has every color of the rainbow in it. I love it. And I hope my husband sees this, even though he's not on social media. Maybe my children will show this to my husband at some point. But y'all, we're going to take y'all along, so stay tuned. We'll be doing quick blips, and then we'll be doing some stuff where in the tour where there were people from replacements will be doing the talking, and I'll be quiet so y'all can hear. So stay with us. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real.
Teeny tight.
Yes.
But
yes.
that's the way that was. So we try to put some of our really key pieces right here.
That's amazing.
Because this line here is the best of best.
Emerald and diamond necklace. Early American Victorian centerpiece with a large cabochon emerald. And the carats are there in the sign. This is their focal point of their store with this beautiful piece.
Janet, the viewers
20 to 50 years old. Okay, coming over here to get Anita's voice on
Tell
here.
me that again, Anita.
Well, I just wanted to resonate with everyone purchasing with us. The comfort, the security that you have in buying with us, either in person or directly online. We ship all over the world. You have 30-day money-back guarantee to return it to us as long as it's not size, and we will ship the majority of our jewelry 2 days, signature required, Federal Express.
Nice.
So that way you get it fast, you're signing for it, because some of these items are a little bit of a price point, and we want to make sure that it arrives perfectly and secure. So we've got this one here, and I just wanted to point it out because these are no little sneezes girls are doing now. They'll buy one of these nice size just charms, and they're wearing it on a long locket as a pendant. I don't see too many on a bracelet anymore, but that's how we were able to acquire them, that they're kind of releasing them back into the world. That's what I love about estate jewelry. It's just, it's recycling in the best way.
Well, I like how you put it too. It's been loved.
It's been loved.
been loved.
It's been loved. So we've got some of the pretties over here too. So wherever you turn here in our retail, you're gonna see some beautiful china, some crystal, and some bling bling. Okay?
I love it.
China, crystal, and bling bling.
Love it. What else could you have except a chocolate pie?
We need chocolate.
Chocolate. I would love for that to come back in vogue. So that's where we are.
These are amazing.
They are. They really are.
I love that one. My grandmother had a piece like that. You know how you see these things and then you could kick yourself for not keeping when you pass it up by going, no, you take that.
They speak to everything. Anniversary, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Sweet 16, new baby shoes on there. It's just such a visual, interesting piece of jewelry.
You know, those are really popular now. I see all the young girls wearing these.
Oh, the
Link.
paper clip.
Yes. Yes.
The paper clip
I
is
see them
staying
everywhere.
around.
Yes.
And that's something you can put one of your big lockets on, you know, wear that.